How to set up a Realm Crafter 1.26 development environment. So you are ready to start working on your Realm Crafter projects, and you're looking for a way to set up a development environment to help speed up the development of your Realm Crafter 1.26 game projects. We want to build a Realm Crafter environment that makes it as easy as possible to go back and forth between the files we commonly use during game development. Hello and welcome. I'm Frank from MakeYourOwnRPG.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up a Realm Crafter development environment that will help speed up your game production. By the end of this video, we'll be ready to start developing our own Realm Crafter projects. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you find this video useful, subscribe and hit the alert bell. This will help other hobbyists find the video and will send you notifications next time we post a video on this topic. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, let's get started with setting up the Realm Crafter 1.26 development environment. First, we need a way to organize our Realm Crafter projects. I like to make a project folder and put my projects in there so I can find them all in one place. Let's make a folder on the desktop called My RC 1.26 Projects. All right. Now, let's copy the blank project from the Realm Crafter archive we downloaded in the previous video. Next, rename the blank project to the name you want to use. In this case, I'm going to call my project My World 1.26. Every time you want to make a new project, copy the blank project from the Realm Crafter archive and give it a new name. And so forth. Okay, great. We have our Realm Crafter projects nicely organized. Okay, the next thing we need to take into consideration is that during Realm Crafter development, you are often bouncing back and forth between the GUI, the game client, and the server logs. Let's make shortcuts to those things and put them in the development folder. Let's go to our project My World 1.26. Let's start by making a shortcut to the GUI. Right-click the GUI and choose Send to Desktop. This will make a shortcut appear on your desktop. Next, we need the server shortcut. Go to the server folder. Right-click on Server EXE. Oh wait, we don't have any servers in there. We never generated a server. And we also never generated a game, so that's going to be empty too. All right, let's go ahead and do that. We have a blank game and a blank server folder. We're going to need to access the game client and the server, so we'll need to build those first. Let's go into the GUI. Build the client. And build the full server. Exit the GUI. Okay, now, here we go. Let's make a shortcut to the server. Right-click on Server EXE, choose Send to Desktop, and in addition to the server, we need a shortcut to the server logs. So go into the data folder, go to Logs. Right now that's empty. The reason we don't have data in logs is because we've never launched the game, so let's try that. Go to server, start the server, unlock, lock, close down, and now we should have logs. There we go. Okay. Right click, server log, send to desktop. Okay. Now, rearrange these things. The next step is to make a shortcut to the game program. Let's go to the game folder. Whoa. And we're going to get ourselves a shortcut to game.exe. Right click, send to desktop. Okay, so now we've got these 4 basic tools. Now we're going to want to put these into a folder so that we can access them later. Let's make a folder called My World 1.26 Dev, and we'll put everything in there. My World 6 Dev. And let's put all of these inside there. And now let's take this folder and put it inside project folder so we don't lose it. Okay, there we go. Now, let's make a shortcut to this folder so that we can easily get to it from our desktop. So I'm going to do send to desktop. Great shortcut. All right. So there's our projects folder, and here's my dev shortcut. Okay then. Now, when I want to work on this, I just open up the dev shortcut for the project I want to work on, and here's all the stuff. There's the GUI. And then, of course, you can launch the server, and you can launch the game. So much easier than bouncing around between those folders. Give it a try. There's one more thing we need that I almost forgot. Let's go back into our shortcuts here. We need a link to the scripts folder. So let's open up our projects. Let's go to My World. Let's go to Data, Server, and we want a shortcut to scripts. So let's do that. Send to desktop. And let's put this scripts folder inside here. Okay, great. Now we have everything we need to do our game development. See if that helps you speed along your Realm Crafter development. Now we have an easy way to access all the programs we need during development, and everything is nicely organized. Let's recap. In this video, we learned how to create new blank Realm Crafter projects and organize them into folders. We also learned how to make a development folder containing shortcuts to the programs and files we will be using during game development. And we learned how to make a shortcut to that folder on our desktop so we can easily access the development tools. I hope this video helps you save time and effort during your Realm Crafter game development. Don't forget to check the video description for useful links and go to MakeYourOwnRPG.com for more game design tips and tricks. I'm Frank from MakeYourOwnRPG.com, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy gaming.